Hi, I'm Bill Kinsall, Clerk of Court here in Bay County, Florida, and we're here today with this video to help you navigate the jury process. You've received a juror summons in the mail. Now you're wondering what to do next. We know you may be nervous and anxious about coming down to the courthouse and into a courtroom. There are some very important steps you can take before you get down here that will help us get you through the process as fast as possible. The first thing you need to do is register as soon as possible. That is done online on our website. It's important that you confirm your service so we'll know how many we have that day. If we have enough, you may be called off, and if that happens, your jury service is complete. You are not put back on the schedule. Next, be sure to call the weekend before. If you confirmed your service, you'll receive an email, but it's highly recommended that you call the weekend before, because sometimes trials settle and we may not need as many jurors. For your day of service, arrive on time and bring your juror summons. You may want to bring some reading material and a light jacket. Please know whether your employer pays you for jury service. That determines whether or not the clerk's office will pay you for your service. If the date is a hardship, such as verified medical appointments or confirmed travel plans, you may be able to defer to another date. Please enter this information when you register online at the time you receive your summons. So there are some exemptions to jury duty. Doesn't mean you can't serve, it's your choice. On behalf of the Bay County Clerk's Office, thank you for your time, and please remember to register.